This job is for database support analyst and New South Wales Department of Customer Service in Sydney, Australia. This is a full-time entry level and hybrid role with flexible working environment. New South Wales Department of Customer Service employs more than 12,000 people working together to provide services that improve the lives of more than 8 million customers across New South Wales. They are focused on delivering first class customer service, digital transformation, and regulatory reform. To be successful in this role, you will have the following skills and experience: 3+ years hands on experience with Microsoft SQL Server, TSQL, SSIS, SSRS, experience with database SQL performance tuning and optimization, experience with SQL agent job scheduling and monitoring, experience with cloud technologies such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and ETL integration is highly regarded. Proficiency with PowerShell scripting is a plus. And if you have worked in CRM environments such as Siebel and Salesforce, it would be a big advantage. If you are interested in this role, please visit New South Wales Department of Customer Services website and apply from there. Thank you.